Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic BMW 1 Series for a little test drive. Start the engine, you put your foot on the clutch, press the engine start stop button there. Your car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily. So away we go. We do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away really nicely there. It's going through the gears really well. Let's get it through all 6. Yeah, the clutch and gearbox feel great. Brakes feel nice. Steering feels spot on. Suspension's riding the bumps on this country road with ease. So the car's driving really nicely, spot on as it should. Obviously, with it being a BMW, it is a lovely car to drive. You've got fantastic specifications. So on this one, you've got the full leather interior with heated front seats. You've got the sat-nav system there on display. On the multimedia system, you've also got Bluetooth, both for your mobile phone hands-free and for audio streaming. Not all of the BMWs have the audio streaming, so that's worth knowing. You've also got USB port, auxiliary input, so loads of different ways to connect your devices. DAB radios on there as well as FM, AM and CD player. Car's got plenty of power, as hopefully you can tell from the video. We've got dual zone climate control down here as well, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver should they wish. Reverse parking sensors, which are audible beeps, as well as a visual display on the screen there. Lovely leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror. So really nice spec on this one. Yeah, the car is driving lovely. That's just the keys rattling about there. Car's driving lovely. Going to make a really nice car for someone, maybe you. I hope that's been useful. Thank you for watching. You take care and bye for now.